Imagine a calm and serene garden filled with vibrant, healthy plants. Each one is uniquely labeled with a vitamin name: B1, B6, B12, E, and D. As we zoom in, let's delve into the significance of these vitamins for our nerve health. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of nerve health and the essential vitamins that keep our nervous system functioning at its best. Let's explore how a lack of these 5 crucial vitamins can lead to nerve damage. First up, vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Thiamine is vital for converting carbohydrates into energy, essential for nerve cell function. Without it, nerves can become damaged, leading to symptoms like numbness, tingling, and even paralysis. Now let's see an example of what can happen when there's a deficiency. A person struggles to walk due to numbness and tingling in their legs. This condition is known as beriberi, caused by thiamine deficiency. Next, we have vitamin B6, or pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 is crucial for neurotransmitter synthesis. Without it, nerve communication becomes disrupted, leading to symptoms like confusion, depression, and irritability. Here, we see a person exhibiting signs of confusion and irritability, struggling with daily tasks. This is neuropathy, linked to pyridoxine deficiency. Now let's talk about vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining the myelin sheath, the protective covering around nerves. Without B12, the myelin sheath deteriorates, leading to nerve damage and conditions like peripheral neuropathy. Imagine a person experiencing severe hand and foot pain. This discomfort is due to peripheral neuropathy, often caused by a deficiency in vitamin B12. Peripheral neuropathy can significantly affect quality of life, emphasizing the importance of maintaining adequate levels of this crucial vitamin. Let's not forget vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E plays a critical role in protecting nerve cells from oxidative damage. A deficiency in vitamin E can lead to significant nerve damage, which is often characterized by muscle weakness, vision problems, and a loss of reflexes. It's vital to ensure we receive enough of this essential nutrient to maintain our nervous system health. In this scene, you can see a person struggling with muscle coordination and vision problems. This is due to a lack of vitamin E, a condition known as ataxia, which is linked to vitamin E deficiency. Last but not least, vitamin D. Vitamin D is important for nerve growth and repair. Its deficiency is associated with chronic pain and nerve disorders. Here, we observe a person suffering from chronic pain and weakness, a distressing scenario linked to vitamin D deficiency. Ensuring you get enough of these vitamins can help protect your nerves and keep your nervous system healthy. Remember, a balanced diet and proper nutrition are key to preventing nerve damage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and 3D animations.